Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is We All Are Equal. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So my dear students, today under the title of writing skill, we are going to learn about paragraph writing that we have already learned in previous grades. I hope you remember how to write a paragraph, what are the characteristics of a paragraph. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to read a paragraph as a large meaningful unit of expression, to recognize that the main idea in a paragraph is carried in a sentence called the topic sentence. Other sentences in the paragraph support the topic sentence. So beta, this is such a detailed SLO which is telling us everything about a paragraph. The first thing is paragraph is a large meaningful unit of a single expression, and there is a topic sentence and rest are the supporting sentences. You see, everything is already there. And we'll also recognize that paragraph in a text as a separate meaningful unit of expression. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Zilzal, verse 1 till 8. When the earth is shaken with its final earthquake, and when the east throws out its burdens, and man will say, what is the matter with it? That day it will declare its information about all what happened over it of good or evil. Because your Lord has inspired it, that day mankind will proceed in scattered groups that they may be shown their deeds. So whosoever does good equal to weight of an atom or small ant shall see it, and whosoever does evil equal to weight of an atom or a small ant shall see it. Yes, my dear students, what this surah is telling us. Because this surah is telling us about the day of judgment. And have you seen, the first sentence is telling us when its final earthquake will come. And what will go on? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, beta, your little good deed is written. It will not be ignored. And equally, little evil will not be ignored. It means whatever we are doing, we should do every good deed by considering that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching us, and we should stop us from every bad thing, no matter how small it is. We should stop ourselves because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching us. And on the day of judgment, if we have considered a bad deed, a little one, and we just do it, it will not be ignored on this day, right? So beta, we should be very careful about our acts and our words, right? And now, my dear children, beta, Allah teaches us everything in Quran. Subhanallah, look at this surah. In first verse, it is the topic sentence. It is telling us what this surah is all about. It is about the final day when the earth is shaken with this final earthquake. The last day, the day of the judgment, right? And then all the details are given, and in last two verses, 7 and 8, the conclusion is given. This is how we write a paragraph, subhanallah, right? So before starting paragraph writing, you tell me what is a paragraph and what is a topic sentence. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, we just learned through the SLO that a paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized. Okay, the first thing is there are more than one sentence, a series of sentences, and are related to a single topic. The other characteristic is one topic. Paragraph can contain many different kinds of information. A paragraph could contain a series of brief examples or a single long illustration of a general point. So this is how we make a paragraph. The first sentence or the opening sentence, you can say the first or opening sentence, is called the topic sentence. It should be topic sentence. It should tell you what this paragraph is all about. It tells what the paragraph is about, and it comprises of 1 or 2 lines, okay, because it is one sentence. The body of the paragraph contains the discussion about the topic in detail. So whatever you have written a topic sentence, whatever is related to that, you will start writing after topic sentence. So it consists of supporting sentences. It may consist of 3 to 4 lines, or even you can bring examples. If there is any example related to that topic, you can bring here and you will write it in the body of the paragraph. And the last sentence sums up or concludes. That's why it is called concluding sentence as well. So it concludes the discussion. It is called concluding sentence, and it comprises of 1 or 2 lines. So this is how simply we write a paragraph. So now all of you open your books on page number 24. Here is an example given of paragraph. Let's find it what this is all about. And before that, a topic sentence gives the main idea of your paragraph. Supporting sentences support the topic sentence, means main idea, and concluding sentences sum up the paragraph and tell the reader that, have you finished your discussion? Of course, yes, you should. All right, now look at this paragraph. It is stating, the first sentence is, my father bought a house last March and we liked it very much. Now, are you getting the idea of this paragraph? What this paragraph is all about? About my house, which my father bought last March. So you see, now this sentence is telling you what this paragraph is all about. That's why it is called topic sentence. Whatever you will write after it, this sentence is your topic sentence, which is telling you this paragraph is about your house. And it is now, what are the details? It is located in Taxila near Kanpur Dam. However, we cannot see the dam from our house. Our house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a TV lounge, a large kitchen, and a dining area. And even you can add on, if there is more, you can keep adding. There is a lawn in our front yard, and there is a backyard, etc. Whatever you want, details you want to add. And after that, you will conclude it, you will sum it up, how we are very happy to own a house, and I hope to live there forever or for a long time. This is how this paragraph ends. You see, the topic sentences there, the detailed supporting sentences are there, and then there is a concluding sentence. We just read it and we find all the sentences, how they are arranged, how a paragraph is comprised of. And beta, if you read a long story, every paragraph is like this. This is the structure for each and every paragraph, right? Okay. So let's practice it through an activity. Are you ready for that? All right. You will write a short paragraph on the topic our environment. Okay. So how you will write it? First, you will write the main idea, supporting details, concluding the way we learnt it. You'll practice it. Pause the video. Every one of you write it in your notebooks and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. Now you will write a paragraph about life in a big city, and you will also label it with its components. Means what is the topic sentence, where are the supporting details, and concluding sentence. And here is a worksheet. I brought 2 worksheets for you. One is for reading. You will read and you will find out every paragraph has its own characteristics and features. And one is for writing, so you will practice writing a paragraph. My dear fellow teachers, these worksheets are attached with this lecture. Kindly click it, print it, and provide students to practice the learned concept. And what we have learned today, we learned that a paragraph consists of a Topic sentence, a series of supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. We practiced writing a paragraph. We also learned that each paragraph in a text is a separate meaningful unit of expression. I provided you worksheet for this purpose. So we achieved our SLOs to read a paragraph as a large meaningful unit of expression, to recognize that the main idea in a paragraph is carried in a sentence called the topic sentence. Other sentences in the paragraph support the topic sentence. Recognize each paragraph in a text as a separate meaningful unit of expression. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.